Hey guys, this is Mr. H. Hey, this is question number 24. It says relation is a function. Which relation is a function? This is a pretty straightforward question. I'm going to start by going to the ones that are not functions. And if I look at choice D, I can see that this is not a function because the number six has the input six has two outputs, but also that the number eight doesn't have any outputs. So this is definitely not a function. It is not a function. All right. Now, if I look at C, if I draw a vertical line, you can see that the vertical line hits the graph twice. So this one fails the vertical line test. So this is not a function. This was not a function. Now let's look at B. If we were to do a mapping diagram, I like to do mapping diagrams. The input is 6, -4, 7. There's two sevens, but we're only going to put it once. It's going to be a -2, +2, 3, 5. And then we're going to map it. When I press the -6 key, I get the output of a -2. When I get the -4 key, I get the output of a +2. When I press 7 the first time, I get a 3. And when I turn around and press the 7 key a second time, I get a 5. So this is not a function because one input has two outputs. So this means that this is not a function. Another way of saying it is that the x values repeat. So that means that this one has to be a function. If you wanted to do a mapping diagram, we can do one real quick. I think these are good practice. So they put the x values. So this would be 1, 2, 3, 4. And the fact that all of the x values only show up once is very positive. So this is going to be 3, 1, 1, and then 7. So when I press the 1 key first time, I get a 3. When I press the 2 key, I get a 1. When I press the 3 key, I also get a 1. And when I press the 4 key, I get a 7. So this is definitely a function because each input has one arrow coming out. So this is a function. And that's what you should be able to do. Now, I just went through and showed you why the other three were not functions. I could have started with A and just did a mapping diagram, but I wanted you to see the other ones too and the things that you should be able to do. So I'm going to stop this and I'm going to post it.